Hello guys, today I would like to show you how I make a simple coffee latte. Check it out. This is what you need to prepare: hot water, scaling cup or milk jug, French presser, measuring cup, coffee cup and instant coffee powder, chocolate powder and condensed milk. First, you need to open the instant coffee powder and put it into the coffee cup. Sometimes I use coffee powder, but you need to filter it first. Then, get some water and heat the water before it gets to the boiling point. And for the milk, I use the measuring cup. Pour in the condensed milk about 3 to 5 tablespoons. Depends if you want it sweet or bitter. For me, 5 tablespoons are just right. Then, pour in the hot water to the coffee cup, approximately 20 milliliters. For the milk, I prefer 200 milliliters because if it's too much, the sweetness will fade. Next, stir the milk well. This is optional, and to make your coffee have a rich taste, I mixed it with a spoonful of cocoa powder. After you put it into the coffee, you stir it well. After you mix it with cocoa powder, it looks insipid. The next step is to steam the milk using the French presser. My French presser broke, so I used the measuring cup, and apparently it worked fine. Here are some tips. Don't pull out the French presser because the steamed milk will have more rough surface. And try to do half circular motion while push and pull for approximately 2 minutes straight. This is what it looks like after you steam the milk. The volume increases and the milk is thicker because the emulsion from milk steaming. Next, you pour in the steamed milk to the milk jug. Try to pour in from the side so the surface won't break. And then you try to swirl it and tap the jug. The last step is to pour in the steamed milk to the coffee. And try to do circular motion. After that, you make the latte art, and here we go. This is the last result. The art isn't that good, so make sure to practice more.